Daegu? What's up, baby? What's up, baby? Touchdown, baby. What's going on in Daegu? What's up? What's up? Wait that, wait that, wait that, yo. Pull up, pull up, pull up. Skra, skra.
I got a vanilla latte. Hot. Like me. Coffee break. Take me through that. Take me through that. Take me through that. Daegu touchdown! Happy New Year, everybody!
Oh.
Touchdown! Can you hear me? Happy New Year! We're in Daegu. Daegu, what's up? And I have 50 subbies. Happy New Year!
30 minutes down. We've been here for 30 minutes and our food still hasn't arrived. And I am starving. I am starving. Yo. Funa nokuhlanza ke manje kodwa ngilambile bandla.
Take me through that, take me through that. Take me through that, take me through that. Nesihlale ngempela yena mayihleli yedwa etafuleni labantu aba-6. Sihlale xosha abantu ugcwele KFC yasandayo yokuhlala.
We got kicked out of KFC. We've been waiting for an hour for our food. And then wasitshela ukuthi bayavala ngo-11. So we have to do takeout. So siyadlela emotweni sana kubanda ibadi. Kubanda ibadi. It's pretty though. It's really pretty. That's just chicken. Stranger Things. What's in here? Chips.
No, chicken also.
Chicken, chips, burger. Alrighty, we're having food in the car because they kicked us out of KFC. Okay, we are fed and ready to hit the town and paint it red. Kasana. Let's go.
100 meters. 200 meters.
We are rushing to see the fireworks. I had to get another scarf. Kabanda, babe. Kabanda. But it is literally so packed. There's so many people. Buga. Glance. Buyagmin. Kabanda, babe. We drove literally 2 hours because we thought that there would be fireworks, Lana. Turns out they're just going to do the New Year's bell. Like there's a bell that they're ringing there, like for the New Year's, and that's it. There's no fireworks. So you're telling me that I froze for absolutely nothing? We were pushing through crowds for what exactly, guys? We decided to stay and wait, and literally as I was about to turn around, switch my phone off, there we are.
Baby, kiss me before they turn the lights out. Before they turn the lights out. Baby, love me lights out in the darkest night. I search through the crowd. Your face is all that I see. I give you everything. Baby, love me lights out. Baby, love me lights out. You could turn my lights on forever. Ooh, baby, daylight's wasting. You better kiss me before time is run down. Yeah, nobody sees what we see. They're just hopelessly gazing. Oh, baby, take me, before they turn the lights out, before time is run out. Baby, let me lights out in the darkest night. I search through.
It's Happy New Year. Happy New Year if I did it 2 minutes ago. So we are pagisha njalo. That would never happen in Johannesburg, Sana. It should take at least 2 days to clean up after a big event. But here, no. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. As soon as the fireworks finished, everyone was gone. Everyone was going home, Sana. It's giving pali pali for real.
We smoking broccoli, but she smelling like a rat. Call me my penny, tryna get out in a crack. Friends are my friends, and they tryna get God. Her name is Angel, but she's far from God. Say they don't pay well to fall in love. Must be the start, but something got me love. Not my exit was better, you find out. Oh, no, no, no. Yeah. Somebody who loves me in that building. Somebody who feels me in the building. We throw $50 in the ceiling. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, we in Miami turning up another night. We took the trophy, let the shorties take the yacht. We all in Santos, I rented out the spot. Friends are all my friends and they tryna get God. Her name is Angel, but she must forgot. She said her bestie wanna get home and swap. I said I'm shy, baby, and ain't doing a lot. I'm tryna do more than bust down your wide. I need somebody who gon' meet me at the top. Who's out there for me? Who's out there for me? Who's out there for me? Say they don't pay well to fall in love. I need the stars or something lining up. Though my ex-bitch was bad, but you find out. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Somebody who loves me in that building. Somebody who feels me in the building. We throw $50.
I wanted a toy. Let's show them. This is what I wanted. And this is what I got. Let's go home, kids. Bye. Good night.
And like you heard me, only suck it up if you deserve me. Pull up and hurt me.
Good morning, kids. Rise and shine. Happy New Year. Okay, we are ready. We're already out and about in the Oh no. Don't I look cute? Okay, we're going to go to Daiso to get me some leg warmers because it is cold in Daegu today, and get a lip gloss and other stuff. It has toes. We have the Dove, the socks, and the lip gloss secured. They don't really have a lot of variety here, to be honest. It's a pretty small Daiso, but if there's one thing there is to know about me, Daiso is my favorite place to go in Korea, Sana, because I can just like waste money, get out with like 50 things for like 20,000 won. It's amazing. Oh. Okay, now we're going to do some activities downtown and look for some fun stuff to do there. Okay, let's go. I thought this is hand lotion. It's freaking body wash. It is body wash. We're here to check if there's any snow activities, and it looks empty. And I look so cool, Kasana. Looks like we might just be disappointed. You can see he's running to check if there's anything in the front because we've been walking for a couple of minutes and still no snow activities. If we can't find anything, then we'll just have to go look for something else. I'm very excited for the brunch that we're going to go to later on. It has baddies in it, guys. They're the cutest animals ever. Be like the connecting parts of the video. So not oh, look at these dogs. Fit check. These are from Shein. This is from Shein. This is from, I don't know, I think like Top 10 or something. This I don't remember. I've had it for 3 years. Jumpsuit Shein. This is from Magogo downtown. Where did you get the shoes? Downtown. Socks, Daiso, and oh yes, bag, Coach, courtesy of my baby. Okay, and that's the full fit. We found activities, y'all. Everyone's going out, so I think give break or something. I don't know, but I'm excited. In things like Kotola. But I'm ready. Sana, if bad timing was a person, we cannot do the snow activities because they're still refilling the snow and cleaning everything up, and that's going to take about 30 minutes, and we do not have 30 minutes because we still have to drive back about 2 hours and 30 minutes. So we're going to go downtown instead and find other activities that side because we still have to do brunch as well. But I'm very, very sad. I don't want to lie. If I knew, we would have definitely woken up way earlier and came here. It's literally empty. It's empty. They're still cleaning up, balancing out the snow. I don't see. Yo guys, inhliziyo yami ibuhlungu. Let's go downtown. It's fine. Okay, see you downtown, my love.
Even if it look, make it jump like a hurdle. Girl, let it wham in a circle. Even if it look.
We are now downtown Kesana. I am starving. Let's get Subways. I feel like such a cool kid when I'm wearing these. Yeah. Jalang. My first flowers of 2026. I take it back. 2026 we can do. It's a good year.
Niggas ain't getting no money, tell them quit that cap. Niggas ain't getting no money, tell them quit that cap. Yeah. Ain't it been relaxing, you ain't even did your taxes. We went triple platinum, money and no nagging.
It is so cold. Yakodola. Ooh. Sparkland. We're going to do the big wheel. So you can see the whole of Daegu from up there apparently.
Made it happen. Young and out there, bottom muddy, made it happen. I don't wanna make no friends, point me to my ends. Who we think he is in that brand new Benz? Should've knew I was coming, just still a young and I knew I'd give me some money. Know I turn nothing to something, I look at your cousin, the youngest is me and it right. And I promise to keep it 100, keep it 100. You see me down in the house, so you got that respect me. Fuck you, give me my 10 Young and chasing dreams, reaching for the stars. See all you can be, either you gon' starve. Young out that bottom, but he beat the odds. Yeah,
We outside. Mary.
richer than ever. Whipping a Tesla, cost hoes, etc. Hit them with pressure. My niggas won't let up. Tell them niggas to catch up. Wake up, got $1 million in diamonds that sit on the dresser. Run up that check now, flexing my muscles, I feel like cause we come from nothing, new rollies and plaques. Fake love, it was holding them back. Flashbacks while you pouring the yacht. Since a young nigga, he just wanted to shot. Used to daydream about thumbing through racks. He tuck it, get cold in the rack. Tears fall while he loading the strap. Seen it all, he just wanna relax. I'm richer than I ever been. Put my heart before the bag, worst shit I ever did. Gave you a second chance and you laugh again. Remember days I used to wonder will we ever win. Young and chasing dreams, reaching for the stars. See all you can be, either you gon' starve. Young and out that bottom, but he beat the odds. Yeah, you lie, had it all. I'm richer than I've ever been. I'm richer than I've ever been. Yeah, I'm richer than I've ever been. I'm richer than I've ever been. Ever been. Richer than he ever been.
Amazing. my darling. Okay. Minnie and I are back home and ready for a bed. I hope that you enjoyed the vlog and you had an amazing New Year's like I did. Please do share your stories, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you thought of my vlog, or if there's any improvements that you think I can make, what you'd like me to do, or what you'd like to see on my next vlog. Thank you for staying to this part of the video, and have an amazing Christmas. No, not Christmas. Have an amazing New Year. I'm sorry, I'm tired. Okay. Mwah. Bye, my darling. Happy New Year.